shares. The Federal Reserve kept interest rates steady this week. Michelle Rook talks with Chip Nellinger about why and what it means for the U.S. dollar, fund action, and grain markets.
Joining us with markets, Chip Nellinger, Blue Reef Agri Marketing. And Chip, the Fed left interest rates unchanged this week. Is the Fed just want to wait right now to see what happens with tariff policy and other things from the administration?
Yeah, I think that's a big part of it with the unknowns about tariffs and the trade situation with the new Trump administration. And also they kind of put into the narrative a little bit, or at least the written part, that they're still a little bit concerned about inflation. And so I think the combination of that puts them on a hard pause right now to figure out what's going to happen with trade, tariffs, and if inflation is coming back, they're going to be quick to react because they would have ended up reducing interest rates a little bit prematurely. So I think they're on kind of high alert here with this new Trump administration.
And this will all have an impact on our currency, on the dollar, right?
Yeah, it very much will. A lot of people are looking at the correlation, which has been pretty good so far to Trump's first term. We had a big run up in the dollar going into, him coming into office, and then the dollar peaked and sold off pretty hard. So obviously interest rates are a direct, correlation to what the dollar is going to do. And that also has a direct bearing on our competitiveness in the world market, especially in our ag products. So the interest rate situation, the dollar going forward into the first half of 2025, going to be very, very important to the grain markets. But at the heart of the matter, going into this weekend, we've got a full-fledged weather market. So that's going to trump some of these economic issues and what the Fed did this week with interest rates.
So tariffs are inflationary. We don't know how that's going to play out. But what do the funds do with this information?
If there's tariffs, and we have to understand that at least the way it looks right now, February 1st is the D-Day for tariffs on Mexico and Canada. I'm not sure if the market is really prepared for that if Trump really follows through and does that.
Thanks so much, Chip Nellinger, Blue Reef Agri Marketing. We'll have more Ag Take coming up.
Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.
Farming has changed. Markets are riskier than ever. For customized, focused commodity marketing, contact Chip Nellinger or Adam Dreyer at 309-550-7213.